This is roadside farms towards the village. Mostly this is groundnut crop. They have got cotton as well in few farms. And nice beautiful sky and the farm. Fresh breeze, beauty of the nature. Birds are singing. For the village also, very well developed roads we have in India. So you can see that this is the road which goes to village. So this is developed India, a beautiful, incredible India. You must visit this village tour with us. So you can see around, the road is having all the greenery around. The other side, connect. Hi friends, I have visited beautiful village in India. It's a amazing village. You can see that side. That is a village I just visited, and it's very nice, cozy homes. And you can see the river which is flowing near the village. So it's a beautiful place. You can see the weather, the cloud, it's amazing. And the other side of the bridge, I'm on the bridge. The other side of the bridge is again shows little force in the water. You can see that, hear that. So if you want to visit India's villages, Vala Holidays, and enjoy the village tour, eco-friendly tour, eco tour by Vala Holidays. Thank you so much. So this is the transportation mode in the village. You can see all this buffaloes are, people are using bikes, cars and tractors, and these are the buffaloes which are giving milk. So they use it for themselves as well as they sell it, the milk. So he is the person. So near the village, from the village, buffaloes are eating their own green food near the outside of the village. So you can see they are having their own food. So interesting stuff. Connect. He is riding the buffaloes. You can see that. So this buffalo is looking at me very dangerously, but very curiously. When they sit in the water, they enjoy. So, he is the owner of this buffaloes. There are 4 or 5 buffaloes in the village. So connect us to visit this kind of interesting places. So I have come to the nearest check dam near the village. It's beautiful water conservation system in all across India. This is the way they conserve the water of it's called rain harvesting. So all that water goes inside the land and it absorbs it when we built up check dams. So it is required wherever possible. So Vala Holidays take you all these beautiful places. You must visit this kind of places. Where water is flowing. Connect Vala Holidays. So I am at the farm. It's a beautiful farm. You can see that is the groundnut. They have very nice big farm, and groundnut is made up of seeds, and through which you can eat directly. You can put in some recipes and you can use it as again seed, and you can, there are multi-purpose, and you have that oil also out of that seed. It is called groundnut oil. So you can see the farm around. So beautiful farm. In the open sky with fresh air. So connect us for the farm visit, Vala Holidays. This is the bullock cart. So I am riding a bullock cart. You can see that bullock cart. It's a road, and this bullock helps in the farming. So you can see that. So it's a beautiful ride. You can see around, it's nice village. And the farms. A nice ride. Connect us for this kind of interesting stuff. Vala Holidays.